Hey guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reviewing the student box kit from the Happy Planner. I think it's adorable. It comes with a whole lot of stuff, so if you'd like to see that, stick around. Okay, let's dive right into it. So the Happy Planner gave this to me because I'm teaching a Zoom class at Michael's on Friday with my daughter Allie, and we're talking all about student virtual learning, and I needed a student planner. We're going to be doing like 3 different types of layouts for student virtual learning and some tips and tricks. So if you'd like to register for that, I'm going to put that link in the description box below. So check that out. Anyway, this is really, really cute, isn't it? Like, I love it already just from the cover. This is a student box kit. Like I said, I picked this up at Michael's and it runs from August 2020 to July 21. It's 12 months. And you have a planner, excuse me. You have a planner, a notepad, sticky notes, 2 washi tapes, and some stickers. So let's dive in and see what is in here. I have not opened this up yet. I don't know if there's other reviews on YouTube about this, but I thought you might want to see it because it's just so cute. Okay, so first let's look at the planner. So we have some cute little sticky notes here, always helpful. Look at this cover. It's rose gold and we have rose gold plastic discs. I think that's really pretty. I love the design. It's just different. I love this whole like camo kind of pattern that they've been doing lately. Love that. I think it's neutral and pretty. So let's open this up. Oh, I'm dropping all sorts of stuff. Well, what I actually dropped was a pencil sharpener. Got all over my floor, and now the cracks in my hardwood floor are very colorful. You know, I'm a hot mess. All right. Hi, Bumble. Hi, baby. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come in my lap. Come on. Come on. Oh, hi, baby. Hello there. Bumble is reviewing this back to school planner with me. Okay, so this is so cute. Look, it's like a little notebook. How adorable. We have class schedule. We have these year-to-glance pages, which are so useful, probably especially in an academic planner. And now, these are the currently pages. So cute. I just love this design. It's kind of watercolory, sort of like paint, maybe not watercolor, but definitely paint sort of stuff. And the color palette is really pretty. And on the monthly, we have like a gradient of color here. I don't know if you can see that. It goes from like red to blue, which is really cool. And then here is a weekly page. It's pretty neutral. You know, it has definitely the gradient of color here again, but like this part is neutral and kind of trendy, so I like that. This says I'm feeling happy, excited, nervous, tired, sassy, fabulous. So it's like a little mood tracker over here. And then a place for a quote on this one. Little gratitude list here. And I learned, that's super useful. And doodles. You know I love doodles. Okay, so here's September. Look how cute this is, you guys. That's so cute. I love that. And guess what? It's really matching this like wall washi that the Happy Planner put out this year, and I'm going to be using this in my big spread this week. So yeah, I might be using some of the stickers from here too. I don't know. All right, so I'm just going to go through. Well, it's hard with the dog in my lap. I'm going to go through and look at the other dividers. So this is like the cover, obviously. Whoa. Intelligence plus character. book to read is not the one which thinks for us, but the one which makes you think. Kind people are my kind of people. Me too. What we learn becomes part of who we are. I really love this design and the colors. I'm really digging it. If it was like in a regular planner, I would get it. Knowledge talks, wisdom listens. Do what you can with what you've got where you are. Education is not preparation for life. Education is life itself. We are what we repeatedly do. I know you guys can read. Excellence then is not an act but a habit. What you do makes a difference, and you have to decide what kind of difference you want to make. Okay, so on the back we just have a note page. Love this like forest green color. We don't see that very often from the Happy Planner, so really, really, really cute planner. So let's see what else is here. I'm excited about this washi tape because look at this. Whoa. Look at that. It's like, I love this size washi tape. It's like the not skinny and not like fat. It's like sort of little medium, I guess. But look at that. How cute is that? I'm definitely using that this week. Okay. And then we have, Bumble's still on my lap. She's itching to get down. And this one, like, again, the forest green, so cute. This is like a different color palette and I love it. Then over here we have, oh, let me get my scissors. We have the notepad before I get into the stickers here. Today, tomorrow, this week, which is great for, again, academic planning, the things that are due today and tomorrow and this week, or maybe your schedule. And then we have stickers. There's 3 sticker sheets here. So things that are due and stuff, today's top 3. And then we have, look at these cute little clipboards, little checklists, little coffees, really, really, really cute. So I think if you are a student or if you use a student planner for whatever reason, I think this would be a really good one to have. Like, I looked at the other ones and this one just really appealed to me. So let me know in the comments down below what you think. And yeah, stay tuned for Doodle of the Day, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.